It's 2024 and gas cars are quickly becoming a thing of the past. However, many people still have not bought an electric vehicle yet because they either think they're too expensive or they don't think the battery will get them to where they need to be in a reasonable amount of time. Well, I just finished up a 1,000-mile road trip in my Tesla Model Y, and although the charging experience is nowhere near as bad as some people imagine, it's still not as quick as just filling up at a gas station. Until now, that is, with a new battery technology that may just be the beginning of the end of fossil fuels forever. Yes, I said it. Before I get into it, first let me ask you a very important question. When it comes to EVs, which do you think is more important? More driving range or a faster charging speed? For example, would you rather have an EV with over 600 miles of estimated range? Or would you rather have an EV that can regain over 300 miles of range in just 10 minutes of charging? Well, what if I were to tell you that this might be a trick question because the answer is both? As in, they're both a reality right now, which is why I partnered with CATL, the world's largest EV battery manufacturer, for today's video. I'll explain their latest battery breakthrough and how it will change the future of driving. CATL is a battery company that is responsible for many EV batteries across the entire globe for several different companies, including Tesla, Ford, BMW, and more. In fact, Tesla is the biggest customer of CATL batteries. More specifically, CATL is well known for their leading innovation in lithium iron phosphate, or LFP, batteries, which are so good that Tesla uses them in some variants of the Model 3 and Model Y. LFP batteries have many benefits over nickel cobalt aluminum, or NCA, batteries used in various other Tesla models. LFP batteries have better thermal stability and can tolerate higher temperatures without significant degradation or safety risks, which reduces the risk of fire. And LFP batteries can be charged to 100% SOC, or state of charge, daily without degrading the battery, and they typically have a longer lifespan and can withstand a larger number of charge-discharge cycles before experiencing significant degradation. Now, LFP batteries often have a lower raw material cost, making them more affordable to produce. And lastly, LFP batteries tend to have a lower environmental impact in terms of resource mining, since they do not contain cobalt and nickel. Now, given these advantages, LFP batteries will play a huge part in the world's transition to electric vehicles, and CATL has just demonstrated its expertise in this field with the introduction of their new Shenxing Plus battery, the world's first LFP battery capable of 4C super fast charging, which is an achievement that will certainly revolutionize the EV industry. CATL's journey to the Shenxing Plus battery began with the original Shenxing battery introduced last year, which was designed to support a super fast 4C charge rate. To better understand this concept, you should know that C rate is the unit used to measure the speed at which a battery is fully charged or discharged. Now, charging at a C rate of 1C theoretically means the battery is charged from 0 to 100% in 1 hour. A 4C rate is 4 times faster and results in a full charge in 15 minutes. Now, the Shenxing Plus battery not only regains 600 kilometers, about 370 miles of range in just 10 minutes of charging, but it has a range of 1,000 kilometers, or about 620 miles. Now, this not only matches the performance of batteries using nickel and cobalt chemistry, but the Shenxing Plus battery can essentially charge at a mind-boggling rate of 1 kilometer per second. So imagine an electric car with 620 miles of estimated range that can regain over 300 miles of range in 10 minutes. That sounds like heaven, and I think I know a perfect car for this battery. Yes, I would love the new Tesla Roadster to have these specs, but as we already know, LFP batteries are cheaper to produce, so these batteries could very well make their way into many other more affordable EVs. We Tesla owners are super excited to see what batteries are in the upcoming Model Y Juniper refresh, and also the most anticipated Tesla of all time, the $25,000 compact vehicle. Nonetheless, the Shenxing battery is equipped in some Chinese EVs already. So in order for CATL to achieve such rapid charging speeds, they had to innovate across multiple fronts. They introduced a fast lithium-ion conductive coating to enhance ion transfer, integrated transition metal elements to boost performance, and implemented a nano-layer encapsulation technique for efficient energy transfer between the cathode and anode materials. Now, CATL also addressed the challenge of heat management during high-speed charging by expanding the overcurrent area and increasing terminal capacity, ensuring safety and stability. But CATL's advancements weren't just limited to hardware improvements. They also developed sophisticated battery management system, or BMS, core algorithms powered by AI. Now, this AI-driven system can predict and adjust charging currents in real time, optimizing the charging process for speed and efficiency. But quite possibly the most impressive part of the Shenxing Plus battery is the notable milestone in energy density, which refers to the amount of energy a battery can store within a given weight. In simple terms, the higher the energy density, the more energy a battery can store while keeping the same weight. Now, this is a crucial factor that determines how much power and for how long an EV battery can produce, and thus how long an EV's range is. High energy density is important to minimize the total weight of the battery while storing as much energy as possible to maximize the car's range. Now, the Shenxing Plus battery has achieved 205 watt-hours per kilogram at the pack level, an exciting feat for LFP cells. Now, to put that into perspective, my nickel-based Model Y is about 161 watt-hours per kilogram at the pack level. The Shenxing Plus battery seems to be a 25% improvement in energy density over my Model Y, which is incredible. This was made possible through a 7% increase in packing efficiency and enhanced chemical processes. The design of the Shenxing Plus battery pack also incorporates other cutting-edge features such as module-free CTP 3.0 technology and a granular gradation technique for the cathode material. Now, CTP means cell to pack. In a traditional battery pack, cells are integrated into modules, then modules are integrated into a pack. The Shenxing Plus battery skips the module part altogether, directly integrating cells to the pack. All these features contribute to higher energy density and better battery performance. Their proprietary 3D honeycomb-shaped material in the anode helps manage volume expansion during charge cycles, ensuring durability and longevity. Now, going back to the question at the beginning of this video, the Shenxing Plus battery aims to be the answer to the long-standing trade-off between driving range and charging speed by providing both a substantial driving range along with a rapid charging capability in a single battery solution that is hopefully reasonably priced. Now, this advancement is crucial not only for consumer convenience and adoption, but also for the broader EV market's evolution. However, there are some key things to know about the Shenxing Plus battery specs. First, the 1,000 kilometer range and 600 kilometer recharge stats are based on China's CLTC estimated range, which is known to be more than the US-based EPA calculations. We don't know for sure what the EPA estimate is yet, but if we assume it's 20% lower than the CLTC, that means a 1,000 kilometer CLTC range would be equivalent to an EPA range of 800 kilometers or about 500 miles. The 600 kilometers to recharge in just 10 minutes would also be lower, around 480 kilometers or about 300 miles in 10 minutes of charging, both of which are still really impressive numbers even with the more strict EPA ratings. And again, we still don't know what those EPA numbers are, so we'll have to wait and see. Overall, CATL's Shenxing Plus battery is a huge milestone in EV battery technology, addressing key concerns of range anxiety and charging times while setting new standards for performance and efficiency. If this battery eliminates the fear of EVs being too expensive, along with ending the fear of long charging times or fear of running out of battery on a trip, then there will be no more excuses left for anyone to buy a gas car over an electric car. What do you think of this new EV battery? Do you want to see it come to future Tesla vehicles? Let me know in the comments below. I would absolutely love to see this battery implemented in new US-based EVs going forward, especially the ones that need LFP batteries. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and be sure to subscribe for more tech videos like this in the future. My name is Andy. I'll talk to you in the next one.